94 days until AS Level Maths Paper 1. Pause the video, have a go at this question, and then we'll have a look at it together. Find all the solutions of the equation 2 cos squared x plus 1 is equal to 5 sin x. And this time we are working in radians. Now we have an equation in terms of cos x and sin x. Using the identity, sin squared x plus cos squared x is always equal to 1. Since in this equation we have cos squared x, let's rearrange this to have cos squared x on its own. So we'll have cos squared x is equal to 1 minus sin squared x. This will now give us 2 multiplied by, in place of cos squared x, we have 1 minus sin squared x plus 1 is equal to 5 sin x. Expanding this bracket, 2 times 1 is 2. And 2 times minus sin squared x will be minus 2 sin squared x. To make this equal to 0, we'll need to get rid of the 5 sin x on the right hand side, and the opposite of this will be to take 5 sin x. Whatever we do to one side, we'll do to the other. On the right hand side, these two terms will cancel out, leaving us with 0. And on the left hand side, starting with our highest power, we have minus 2 sin squared x minus the 5 sin x, and then 2 plus 1 is 3. Just so that my first term isn't negative, I'm going to multiply through by minus 1. And this will just change all of the signs. From here we have a disguised quadratic in terms of sin x, which we can factorise into double brackets. To multiply to give 2 sin squared x, we'll have 2 sin x in one bracket and sin x in the other. Then we need two values which multiply to give minus 3, but add to make 5x. Remember, whichever value we have here will also be multiplied by the 2 when expanding this part. The only factors of 3 are 3 and 1. Putting these into our brackets, it will be plus 3 and minus 1. If we were to expand, minus 1 times sin x is minus 1 sin x, and 2 sin x times 3 is 6 sin x. In total, 6 minus 1 will be 5 sin x, which is what we needed here. To solve, we'll set each of these brackets equal to 0. So either 2 sin x minus 1 is equal to 0, or sin x plus 3 is equal to 0. Rearranging these to make sin x a subject, we'll have sin x is equal to 1 over 2, or sin x is equal to minus 3. The range of sin x is between minus 1 and plus 1, so this will be invalid. So our only solutions will be for when sin x is equal to a half. Our first value for when sin x is a half will be x is equal to pi over 6. So to find our second value of x, we'll subtract our first value from pi. Pi minus pi over 6 will be 5 pi over 6. Anything else will be outside our range. So our two values of x will be x equals pi over 6 and x equals 5 pi over 6.